Hey everybody, it's Colby Mills with Legacy Point Realty. I wanted to take a quick minute and kind of go over what's happened this past week here with your local real estate. It's here in Grayson County and Cooke County combined. Just kind of give you an idea of what the market's doing, where we're at. You know, there's been a lot of talk about interest rates rising and maybe there's a slowdown in the market, maybe there's not. Nobody really knows. So I get asked these questions all the time throughout the week, and so I thought it'd be good just to be able to give you some facts and some data and tell you kind of what my opinion is and go from there. So over the past 7 days here in Grayson and Cooke counties, we've actually had 90 new listings hit the market. That's new homes, new construction, just resale, anything new to the market over the past week. We've had 90 come onto the market. We've had approximately 50 go under contract where an offer has been accepted. They've negotiated the terms and the price and it's been agreeable. So 50 have gone under contract and they're in their option period. There's been around 50, 55 that have actually gone to pending. So what that means is they've made it through their option period. They've had all their inspections and everything, and they're actually moving on to the next step. So we've had about 50 go under contract, and out of that does not count for the 50 that are going to pending. That's not what those are. Those are another additional 50. We've had 67 actually close this past week. So 67 properties in Grayson and Cooke County have closed. Now, one of the interesting things that we've been seeing, there's been almost 85 price reductions this week. That number's up a little bit, and there's a number of things that I think are playing into that, and we'll get to that in a second. Other than that, there's been 5 that have expired, and then it shows me that there's at least 5 that are coming soon. Now, I don't read too much into that because a lot of agents don't necessarily put what's coming soon in MLS. They just put it as active. So we know at least 5 are coming this next week or sometime. But anyway, so we have seen quite a few price reductions this past week. There's a lot of factors that play into that. How aggressive sellers want to be plays a role in if they want to take a price reduction. How long it's been on the market? Have they seen any activity? What are their, are they desperate? Does it need repairs? There's a bunch of things that go into consideration whenever a property has a price reduction. One of the things that we have seen is a little bit longer days on market. There are some things that have attributed to that. One of them is what we've been experiencing over the past several months has been a lack of inventory. We've had multiple offers on properties just because there's so many buyers and not enough property. It's a simple supply and demand thing. Now we're starting to see, like with this past week, with 90 new properties hitting the market and only 67 actually close. Yes, 50 went under contract. We're starting to see more properties hit the market than there are going under contract. So it's kind of balancing out simple economics. So with more supply, the actual days on market should expand a little bit, and that's what we're seeing. Also, you've heard about interest rates raising over the past few weeks, and the forecast is they're going to continue to rise. Again, depending upon who you talk to, a lot of people think that's a bad thing. For so long, we've had interest rates that have been extremely low, almost historical all-time lows for so long, and we haven't seen these rises like we would in a normal, healthy economy. And so now that the economy is doing well, we're starting to see these interest rates rise, and honestly, I believe that's a good thing. It's cyclical, just like anything else. I mean, you have your ups and you have your downs. That's how an economical system works. I don't know if economical is a word, but I made it up if not. So anyway, overall, my opinion on the market, it's still a very healthy market. It's still a seller's market, at least here in Grayson and Cooke counties. Now, I can't speak for other states or anything like that, but here in Grayson and Cooke County, we still have a strong seller's market. It is a little bit softer than what it was in the previous couple of months. We're not seeing as many multiple offers or even above ask price offers, which is just another indication that it's kind of balancing out a little bit. I'm encouraged to see more inventory hit because it does give a little bit of relief to these buyers that have been looking for months. and not been able to find anything, it allows them to be competitive and actually find a home that they may be able to call home forever. So anyway, I just wanted to take a quick minute here at the end of the week and kind of give you a quick update on what the market status is. I have a couple of open houses this weekend. I've posted on Facebook and Instagram. The first one's going to be Saturday from 2 to 4 at 107 Ashland Court in Whitesboro. It's a beautiful home. It's a 2-story, over 2,800 square feet. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, multiple living areas. Got tons of upgrades. Anyway, like I said, that's 107 Ashland Court in Whitesboro on Saturday from 2 to 4. And then on Sunday from 2 to 4, 1620 Providence Village, 1620 Cambridge Drive in Providence Village. We will be holding that open as well. Again, that's another beautiful home, a lot of upgrades. It's a little over 2,700 square foot. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, multiple living areas. It's got only one neighbor. The backyard backs up to a green belt, and on the other side there's a little small park. So it's absolutely gorgeous. If you don't have plans, please come out and see us. We'd love for you to tour these homes. If you know anybody that has any real estate needs, whether it's buying or selling, investing or leasing, whatever they may be, please have them reach out to us, and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends. If you have questions or you have concerns about what the real estate market is doing, please drop me a line. I'd love to be able to answer those for you. Thanks. Y'all have a great day, and God bless.